when does this take you?
It'll take it 12 minutes.
Is there a vocal move?
Yeah, you can talk.
Say, can you hear us?
Yeah.
That's silly.
Hi, Monty. Is this your first bath? Aww.
Where is he?
This is Monty's first bath. Monty's getting a bath because he has popo on him. Monty's got popo on him.
I don't think he likes it.
Not laughing now, that's good. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Here we go. This stuff smells good, buddy.
Come here. Come here. Oh.
Are you trying to hide so I can't get you? There you go. Alright. Dude, you're not gonna think of that.
I'm scared. I don't like this, guys. Guys, I don't like this very much. I don't like it. I don't like it. Does it scare you? Look how little you are.
Did you rinse them off?
Not yet. I was about to get you a couple pictures.